Hi YouTube, in this video I want to show you some locks that I have bought. They're magnetic safety locks, and they work with magnets. You don't see them outside. You have to move this magnet just where your lock is, and then this clip here unlocks. Can you see it like this? You can use it for hiding places or to hide stuff for your children, things like that. You can buy them on Amazon. I will put a link in the description. I will use them personally to make a secret floating shelf. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.